So today we're in a field of what we call curly spinach. This is a field of curly spinach, and we're harvesting the spinach today. And today it is mechanically harvested as opposed to in the years past where it was hand cut. And notice where the field has been cut over here to our left. And here comes our equipment down the road. And notice how the blade is cutting the spinach, putting it into the trailer, and then that trailer will be taken to the shed and processed. So here are some leaves which have fallen on the bed, which fell off as the harvester passed. And so you can see individual leaves. And so this is 3 to 4 inch leaves, and we would call this curly spinach. You see the little bit of Savoy to the leaf. And the Savoy typically means greater flavor. And so you have a little bit of stem on each leaf, but individual leaves, very high quality product. If you've never been able to enjoy fresh spinach, be sure to have your mom or dad pick some up for you today.